That's 5. All right, off to a good start. Your leader rolls it. Second place driver gets stuck behind him. Causes carnage all the way throughout. And lead to the point. This motor right behind him, followed by Toby. Rick, watch triple, watch triple, watch triple.
Come on!
Triple.
All right.
Then Rick, Hulk, expert Toby Scott. Wait a second, Ken. Ken, wait. Go. Spin it down. Big Moto still leading the way. Orange, blue, and white. Your leader coming through the triple section. Hulk into 2. Big gets it wrong. Hulk sneaks past him. And Ken Lee. Then dropping down to the third position now. Toby in the mix. 1, 2, 3, 4, all through the chicane. Toby took the safe route through that double-double. Made sure not to crash into anyone. Expert, Hulk, Vince, Toby, Rick, Scott. Can't get it wrong. Hulk sneaks past him. 1, 2, 3, 4, still close. Then you need 1.5, Toby 1, Vince 1/2. Rick 3, Scott 2.5. Rick aired it out over that triple. Now all red tempo. Scott, close call there. Toby all over the back end of Ken Lee. Here they come. Toby trying to get him. Toby sees him on the inside. Here goes double-double, both drivers. Toby bobbles, Ken Lee gets it back. Drag race down the straight. Toby trying to find a way in. Ken Lee's not leaving any doors open.
Come on, Ken.
Toby tries to knock the door down. Ken Lee now with a little breathing room. Then Moto sneaking back up. Right behind Toby. Vic, you need less than a second.
3 minutes left.
Top 4 driver slowly gaining on the leader. Watch the middle. Your order, Hulk, Expert, Toby, Vin, Rick, Scott. Toby, you need, or Ken, you need 2.5. Toby, less than 2. Vin, less than a second. Now 2.5 you need Vin to hit Toby for the top 3. Toby closing that gap on Ken Lee. 2 minutes left to go. Oh, Expert, Toby, Vin, Rick, Scott. We're a leader, that all silver X-ray coming over the triple. Ken Lee not too far behind, and not too far behind him. Ken Lee getting it wrong. Here comes Toby. Toby sneaks past him. Almost rolls it. There they go, down the straight. Toby right on the back end of Ken Lee. Here they come through the double. minute left to go. Toby not far behind Kenny, all over the back over. That's the closest race on the track. Let's see if Toby can sneak past him. Here they go down the straight. All orange buggy, your second place driver. White, orange, and blue, your third place. Battle for second place right now between Ken Lee and Toby. Rick sneaks out of the way for him, lets him race. 30 seconds left. Ken Lee almost flips it. Here's Toby now. Toby, close call.
Come on!
Watch straight. 15 seconds left. Toby's got to wait for Ken Lee to make a mistake. They're both going to get one more lap. It's going to be a race to the finish now. Ken Lee can't make any mistakes. Ken Lee's coming, or Toby's coming. Here he comes. Last turn, sneaks him on the inside. Out! Both drivers flip